Christian Bridges, of course, tracking our forecast, because that is kind of the million-dollar question on a week like this. Of what are we up against?
Yeah, I mean, this time of year, of course, with so many people traveling, a lot of eyes on the weather.
Well, it's a big one.
Yes. Thankfully, though, pretty quiet forecast heading into Thanksgiving. If you remember last year, we had a big rain and snowstorm on Thanksgiving Day.
Oh, I remember. I was in
really
it.
nasty. This year should be a lot better. So we're super happy about that. And we're overall going to be pretty quiet for the next about 36 hours or so before some rain does move in tomorrow night. Looking at the radar overall across the region, we are pretty quiet as we head into this evening. There's a couple flurries over in the White Mountains of New Hampshire, but otherwise New England is fairly quiet right now. We'll remain that way through the day tomorrow, and then the rain will be back in the picture for tomorrow night. For tonight, we are going to be fairly clear, and that will allow our temperatures to get pretty chilly. 20s in the Portland area up towards Lewiston, 24 tonight in Bangor, Holton, low 20s up into Caribou with mainly clear skies. Should be pretty chilly out there as we wake up on Tuesday morning. Now, Tuesday itself is going to be pretty mild. Temperatures climbing into the middle, even upper 40s. A lot of clouds out there. Couldn't rule out a couple peaks of sun, but more clouds than sun definitely. And then again, the rain will be arriving tomorrow night, but it's favorably timed. All the rain and really messier weather we get this week is mostly during the nighttime hours. So let's talk about the timing of that wet weather heading into tomorrow. A lot of clouds back in the picture to start off the day. Again, there could be a peak or two of sun here and there, but leaning towards more clouds. The afternoon, pretty mild. If you're hoping to get out and enjoy some milder weather, tomorrow's a good day for that. Middle and upper 40s. And yeah, some 50s could nose into far southern Maine into York County on Tuesday afternoon. Remaining dry until after sunset. It looks like 9, 10 o'clock or so. We'll start to see some of that rain moving in. Highest amounts towards the coastline, lower amounts up into the mountains. And notice the temperatures up in the mountains, low 30s. Couldn't rule out a little bit of freezing rain or freezing drizzle to start things off. Probably switching pretty quickly over to all rain as we head through the overnight. This is Wednesday, 5 a.m. Rain already wrapping up. A very mild start to the day before Thanksgiving. It's a mild day overall. 50s expected in many spots for the afternoon. Cloudy, pretty quiet. Couldn't rule out a shower, but overall no major travel impacts the day before Thanksgiving. Should get one final round of showers overnight Wednesday night, clearing out pretty nicely for Thanksgiving Day. So here's what Thanksgiving is looking like. It looks like a mild one this year. We were just talking about how last year, of course, we had a big nor'easter on Thanksgiving Day. This year, very different story. We should turn towards sunshine into the afternoon. The only negative factor is that it's just going to be a bit windy out there on Thanksgiving. Thankfully, though, the cold air holds off until Friday, and then it comes in a big way for Friday and the weekend. Some of the coldest air of the season so far is on the way for the end of the week and for the weekend. So as we get into Friday, it will turn very cold, quite blustery. Couple flurries possible. It's one of those days that looks like we could have a couple snow showers that maybe spill out of the mountains as well. Beyond that, it's just cold and quiet for the first half of the weekend. Watching Sunday, that looks to be our next system after the one we're going to get tomorrow night. High uncertainty in the track of this one for now, but of course with the colder air in place, some wintry weather certainly possible with this. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that as we head towards the weekend. But again, many days out at this point. Marine forecast, not too bad, but we are seeing that small craft advisory in place that goes into effect tomorrow as we get that storm system moving on in, which will make things a bit choppier out there. Otherwise, again, pretty decent Thanksgiving travel forecast. We're keeping the rain mostly at night. Mild weather as well on Wednesday, Thursday, on Thanksgiving, pretty good, just a little bit breezy. And then the cold arrives. Look at those low to mid 30s on Saturday, and it remains pretty chilly into Sunday as well. So yeah, happy with the Thanksgiving forecast this year, you guys.
We'll take it. All right, Christian, thank you.
You're welcome.